to ensure the incorporation of social and cultural aspects into the work of the mission.
To give farmers the possibility to do different things with their farm.
My background is over 30 years of industrial cleanup, depollution of soil and groundwater. And one of the objectives is exactly to restore soils and reduce soil pollution.
The Sun Mission has 4 operational objectives besides the 8 specific, and one of them is the living labs. I'm very much involved in this creation of living labs.
One of them that really attracts me more is getting to convey the message, the importance of the soil outside the soil science community. We have to do something, we have to protect our soils for now and for the future generation that will come after.
I would like to engage everyone to read and sign up the manifesto.